Yeah, this is pretty exciting. Actually, I have some food and what I call this is Budgerigar food and mixed things. And this is sunflower and paddies. There's a more item actually down here. Those for bird. And let me see what I can do. Hopefully, able to do good job. After actually my vacation finish, I have to go back to Qatar. Maybe my daughter, my wife, they're gonna take care of them, and hopefully they do well. But I have a one guy, bar owner, I know. He always give me some what do you call instruction, advice, guideline. Yesterday I have one more fair, budget your part, but they get sick, and that's why I sent to the owner wherever the fats, the birds. They say